Epic Boss Production presents a Jamaican Movie Double Life Episode 1 starring Sister Petra's Josiah, Epic Boss's Jeremia.
What's your Errol phone a ring? Errol!
Yes, on.
Your phone a ring, you know?
Make it ring, man. A good old miserable boss a call me. I don't know what them a call me so early for. Them not see they just like.
Alright, baby, no problem. You're not easy. Then now if you call up to see if you're
ring, man. Don't answer it.
Alright, no problem. So why my husband don't want me answer him phone if I'm boss a call? Him lucky. Hello? Who is this?
Josiah, me can't talk to me man Jeremiah.
You have the wrong number. Young lady, why you behaving like that? I said that your baby father don't live here. Me say it's the wrong number, ma'am.
Who man? I mean man Jeremiah number this you know. Me normally call him pan this a number and get him. Let me tell you something, he pitney one pampas and in there they dead for hungry. And me always call pan the number and get him. So put me man pan the phone.
You're not easy. What you mean by is your baby father and you normally call him on this number and get him? I don't know what you're talking about. Miss, if this is the way you're going to behave over the phone, I'm very sorry. You can't call back this number. You hear what I said? This is my husband's number.
But you're not easy. I mean man number this. And how long you and me man married?
We've been married for years. So in case... Tell you what. I'm not in any argument with you, miss. Because I can see that you're very upset.
Oh man! No make me dirty you up, you know, man. And that me they tell you, you know. Me pitney hungry and he want pampas. You hear what me say? Can you piece up your last pampas and me want chat to me, man? Don't get me irritable, you know.
You know what? Come off the phone. Come off this phone. Don't call back this number. I'm very sorry. Don't call this number, man. You don't have any manners.
Watch ya! Watch ya! Lord God, I could never stand the woman turn off the phone for me. I really hang up the phone for me. Hello! Hello! Woman! Lord, that woman you want me nah see him up, you know. You understand what me they say? Imagine, I'm in my number. I me normally call me man and get him. I wonder if me man really they give me bun and go marry that woman here for real. I wonder if I true. Jesus Christ. Imagine. Look power me if he give me pitney fi drink. Black tea, bush tea, me young pitney. He nah nothing fi drink from when. Look how long he feeding done. A long time he feeding done and he papa gone 2 weeks now. I no give me nothing fi the pitney. I want me pitney fi do. Dead fi hungry and I me first pitney. He nah go work in a my cabinet, you know. What wrong with that man, yeah, man? Hey, in bet, listen to me. You know, say them a get me dirty in that. Yo, sure.
But this a woman not easy. But anyway, you look like a wrong number. But I could have swear I see a name in there. Me know me see a name when the phone did a ring. You know what? I not say nothing to him. I go and watch him. Me I go watch him to see what I'm up to. I mean, what's that?
How going, babes?
Hi. So what now? Where you going now?
I got work, man.
Oh, okay. So what time you normally reach at work?
Reach like to 8 and so.
To 8?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Well, your boss was calling as I was saying.
I don't know why them a call me for. Them not see day just light. You understand?
So,
I just 7 o'clock, you know.
Yeah.
So where am I call for them hours here?
Maybe he's just calling to find out if you leave out already. What do you think?
Yo,
What's the
Just a
problem?
call, you know. I don't know where I'm call for.
So remember, it's your boss and him have your number and him want to know if you ever reach on time. What if him have
always reach on time, honey.
Okay.
You understand? So
Yeah.
I don't know why I continue to call the phone for.
Okay.
Come here to ring in there, I know say I must see my call, you know.
So early, right? It's early, not true for your boss call,
What do you mean?
right? Then look for your face to not upset with your boss. Alright.
Yes, I'm
So,
go running now. I call him and call me early.
alright. So why you not just spend the day with me? Nobody go work today.
No, only me have to go work.
Why you have to go? Then if me want you to stay with me, you can just call in and tell him say your wife not feel good.
But if him a call honey and him a behave, so you know say me fire me if me not turn up.
Alright.
You understand what me I say?
I hear you. I hear you. So how your face look so?
Later, man.
You just look kinda funny, you know? And me not like that look there.
Honey, me call you because me upset right now, you know.
Me can't see it.
Me don't know why him want me hurry up to come and work then hours here. You understand what me I say?
Oh.
Me didn't even get a chance to drink even a little tea or nothing.
You don't look like you want to tea this morning because your face look like from you to say your boss I call you get upset, so.
Honey, me call it.
Alright. But wait, come back here. So remember, say you normally leave sometime for one couple weeks or so and whatever. What it is all about today?
Remember, me don't know where I'm up to, you know, if anything I me call you. Me don't know if a summer different him send me for the weekend or what.
Okay.
You understand? So if him tell me say me fi go somewhere, me make you know later.
Yeah. So
Probably, me don't know if me go come in tonight still, you know.
okay. So tell me something. So your boss don't know say you're married?
I mean, honey, listen me I tell you the honest truth.
Yeah.
Me feel say me feel look a different work, you know.
Me
because
think so too.
This a work here take over my life, you know.
Yeah, because you're not spending time with me and not only
Not
that.
even day off the man now give me.
Not even day off, the man no give you. And what kind of work that? And what me not understand, when a boss is send up on a business trip or so, him knows you're married, right?
Yes.
So how comes him never yet say, make your wife go with you? Me not understand that the boss there. Something just not right somewhere.
Work, me not feel like him a go want my wife.
Oh, are you, what?
No, through work, honey, and I work and me go busy, me not thinking. Probably company not sponsor that, honey.
Okay. Alright, honey. Have a good day. And you must come in later.
No, me don't know if him must me go somewhere different. Someone will call you and make you know.
Okay, that's a
I
good
like
one.
them type of style, you know.
I saw it go. No worry yourself, my man. So I think set up. Okay. So Errol playing it out very well. I can't see my actor. You can imagine him look on the number and tell me about say why him boss a call this hours and me answer the phone and it's a woman that come talk about say him baby mother want pampas. Alright, Errol. We'll see about that. One of the day we must find out what you're up to.
Watch out, Jeremiah, they call me. Hello? Oh, you mean what I go and look for when you left me the pitney there at the tab, a black tea, me they give the pitney and the one pampas in your van. Eh? Are you gone from when, but you gone a foreign? Me they go down and me mother and me reach right near to the short road. Me fi wait for you there, sir. And you make me have to go look feeding from me mind, you know. Cause you left me and you know say you ain't left enough money fi buy feeding. Me there the what?
Yeah, come man. Just hold on man. You just have to come out of the taxi. Hold on right there, so me a come.
Hurry up and come, man.
Alright, babe.
Talk about alright, babes. You make your woman. You make your woman and make sure you know your woman. They can't talk about you and him married and you never tell me say you're married. Oh, that me they tell you. You come here now, they can't talk about. I mean, if you go down on me, ma. After you left me, go there now, a really woman yard you went there. Oh. Me so pissed off with you. Kuya! Me husband, you there?
What up to babes?
So where you luggage them there?
Babes, we drop them off down a yard, man.
Oh. You don't know so the penny there the dead for hungry, I want make you do me, sir?
Me know say me if you send a thing days, but me never get the chance just to me tied up in a work and so.
You tied up so you prefer the penny for dead for you hungry. Yeah, right.
You get the missed call from you today in a base, but
I'm hungry, make you hear in the holler so you know. Oh.
me say me get the missed call, me know how you feel no way now, me get the missed call from you.
I which woman that they answer your phone but your wife? Eh? I which
The
woman?
secretary tell you, babe?
Which secretary? The woman say you no there and I feel your number and say your name, say your name. Why say the name again? Must I Errol?
No man, I'm secretary, babes.
The secretary?
Babes, I saw the secretary overseas here. Everybody call. It's a problem when they call to get their loved ones over there, babes.
So what make she go along so the boss nothing put a
I'm
stop
going to tell
into
the boss
it?
and what they are. Say every time you try to call, she always tell you all type of things, babes.
Brother,
You get fed up her, you know.
so now that me tell you if you deal with her case, you know.
As me go back to work, babes, me I go tell the boss,
So-
say secretary, I tell you all type of sitting.
So every minute when you go foreign, that the secretary they run the show.
Yeah, she run the boss work, babes.
Oh.
But she take everybody pay bill and something, babes.
Okay. But what are we a she bright girl and like you and I there? Can me say me they tell you me get upset, you know?
Oh, go on, babes.
My day ain't no ethic.
So your face looks up from your sitting up.
So away you are go.
Petra, just calm down yourself, no man.
I feel so lonely, baby, when you're not around. I get so frustrated when I can't get your phone. My mind keep on wandering all over town. I need you, my baby, so please come back home. I feel so lonely, baby, when you're not around. I get so frustrated when I can't get your phone. My mind keep on wandering all over town. I need you, my baby, so please come back home.
Baby girl, me feel the same way, so you know we love connected. When me holding on my arms, you tell me say you feel protected. I love you feel like cancer, me I tell you I'm affected. When you're not around, me wonder, feel so overprotected. Me glad the day I you me choose, glad the day you get selected. When me feel sick and weak, like a scanner girl, you detective. Love was a crime every day, me get arrested. Anything we Father God put together, it is a blessing.
Feel so lonely, baby, when you're